Hi guys, Vauxhall Corsa 2013 model or misfire in this cylinder, one of these cylinders. You can hear the noise coming from these cylinders. So if you took the cover off, you can hear it properly, but it's loud noise, misfiring. You hear this noise. You know the engine shaking as well at the same time. It's loud noise, misfiring.